release on Netflix, let's start the video now. Army of the Dead opens with a smart scene concerning an army shipping colliding with a couple of newlyweds celebrating their marriage whilst riding down a Nevada highway. A few debates well known show that the convoy has currently come from Area 51 and that their undefined payload is so risky that their army-grade guns won't make a lot of impact. When the huge box keeping the lethal passenger is damaged, it opens and the infantrymen who survive the twist of fate are quite fast with the undead earlier than mountaineering a hill to set their points of interest at the metropolis of Sin, Las Vegas. Despite its length, Army of the Dead is a quite deliberate, lean film that blends with the heist style of Zombie 1. Snyder's co-written script has simply sufficient each department, even though I desire there has been a piece greater to the heist itself than the direct line from A to Zombie and seeking again to it. It from time to time feels just like the plot of Army of the Dead is simply a skeleton on which to hold the movement scenes in preference to something inherently smart on its own. I save looking forward to a twist or marvel that in no way virtually came. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. So what do paintings about Army of the Dead? It's amusing and unpretentious, pushed greater through its movement, set portions than something else. It's virtual and stimulated through modern rapid zombie movies like World War Z or 28 Days Later as its far the marks of master, and there are moments when its grand madness simply clicks away to the set-piece ambition of the filmmaker and the willingness of the solid to head everywhere he leads them. An unforgettable zombie tiger, an unusual form of a king of twin undead, dynamic that shapes the movement, an extremely good collection concerning the usage of brain eaters to spring booby traps. Those are sort of amusing, smart beats for Army of the Dead alike. There are simply sufficient of them to preserve it together, even though it's a spin from telling the jackpot. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseandnetflix.com, and if you like our video then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release and Netflix.